Sunshine When She's Gone. It's a classic by Bill Withers. Hey, I'd love it if you want to leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. That would be great. I love teaching this stuff, and I hope you enjoy this one. Ain't No Sunshine is a classic song. Bill Withers is one of my favorites. Now this one, it's got really 3 chords in it. An A minor 7th, which is looks like that. An E minor 7th. A D minor 7th. Looks just like an F chord, except you got a D string ringing out here. And then I do a little lick. So that's an open E to a G, 3rd fret, on the low E string. And then I hit that target note, which is the A. And then to an E minor 7th. Okay? So it sounds like this in the song, it sounds like this. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Sunshine when she's gone. Sometimes I say no home. Anytime she goes away. Now I wonder where she's gone. I wonder if she's gone for good. So basically that's the whole song, and it does have a breakdown, but what's cool about this for acoustic guitars, you can kind of get that roll, that bounce going. There's lots of ways to play it. Sometimes I go. There are lots of different kinds of arrangements, but I'm giving you the most simple Bill Withers version. Now, the verse feel is just what I did there. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day, yeah. Then the E minor 7th, sunshine when she's gone. And then the D major 7th, like I said, looks like an F, but with an open D. Back to the A minor. And then at one point it goes, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Better leave the old thing alone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. So that's a cool way to play that song, and you can like take liberties with the actual chords and move them around a little bit. You can play this position A minor. That's kind of cool. That's an A minor 7th. That's a cool way to play that. And what's nice about that particular way is you just lay your 3rd finger on the 5th fret, and you got that open A if you want it. But what's nice about it is you can still walk up. So if you're a little more advanced player and you want to break away from this low A minor 7th, which is fine by the way, back and forth from the A minor to the E minor 7th. It's a really great song, by the way, to jam with your friends because it's really open-ended. You can play a little lead. Go to the high E minor. That's the E minor 7th, looks like that up here, to the D minor 7th, to this A minor. So there's a couple alternate chords you can use in this song. Great tune, Bill Withers, Ain't No Sunshine When She's Gone. If you'd like to get the chord chart for this song that will show you exactly how to play each chord along with all the lyrics, go to jimmydillon.com/chart and get it now. It's totally free, and you can get the PDF printout in the next 30 seconds. Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.